And special thanks to our friends at WAVLINK who were nice enough to send us their USB-C dual HDMI universal docking station. This is a great docking station for somebody who uses a laptop and needs a lot of things that they need to plug into. See the world on the side, little company info there on the top for the quick start guide and drivers. WAVLINK logo there, USB-C dual HDMI universal docking station. And then here's a little bit of the specification. It has USB-C power delivery, so it can provide a laptop with power and upstream charging up to 100 watts. It has an HDMI 4K port, so dual display mode supports one 4K HDMI port and one 1080p resolution screen at the same time. So you can't have two 4K screens, but you can have one 4K screen and one 1080p screen. There's 4 USB 3.0 ports to deliver a maximum of 5 gigabits of data transfer. There's a 1 gigabit RJ45 Ethernet connector and a 4-pole audio port for a headset, microphone, and stereos. You need Windows 7, 8, or 10 or higher, Mac 10, 10 or higher, or Android or Chrome. And what's inside the box is what I'm about to show you. So let's open this on up and take a look at this universal docking station. Whoa, a lot smaller than I envisioned. Here's the actual docking station. We'll set it to the side. Then that seems to be extra items. We'll set that to the side. Cardboard. Wow, nice aluminum filling stand. Very nice. Cable, driver download links, user's guide, and that's it for the box. So let's look at everything we have. So first off, if you need drivers for this device, they have the links here to download the drivers. Love that. Nice quick start guide. Basically tells you a little bit about the device, an overview, goes over the driver download, as well as the installation process. Then we've got a nice included USB cable here. You can see this is USB-C, but it's also USB-C over here, but has a regular USB port. This would be the main cable that you would link your docking station to your computer with. If your computer has regular USB ports, you'd use this side to plug into your computer and plug this into your docking station. If your computer only has USB-C, you just use this to plug into your computer and this into your docking station. Nice that they give you both options here. This is, of course, just a little stand for the docking station. It'll just slide right in. I'll show you that in a moment. And this, I think, is actually the power cable. It feels very heavy. Yes, it is. Wow, good for that. So a very nice power brick. You aren't going to have to worry about any issues with this. This will definitely deliver enough power to the device. And of course, the other half of it plug into the wall. Then the main USB-C docking station from our friends at WAVLINK. Nothing on the top and bottom, but some vents. Got a little lock here. Got a little light there for power. But as you can tell, you would take this device, you could slide it into this little thing, have it look something like that. And then you plug in your power right here on the bottom. They even nicely show you that this USB-C goes to your computer. So you take this cable, plug it into this port, and then plug the other end into your computer. And then you have all your ports. Your gigabit Ethernet port, your 4K HDMI port, your 1080p or 2K HDMI port, your 3 USB 3 ports, and then even this USB 3 with the lightning port on it. That one will charge a little faster, but 4 USB ports all together. And of course your headphone jack and a nice little power button. But very nice. I would definitely recommend the stand due to the fact that it will keep it off the ground a little bit. That'll help this device breathe some whenever it's trying to do all of this for you. So that'll essentially do it for this USB-C universal docking station. Thanks again to our friends at WAVLINK who were nice enough to send this to us. And thank you all for watching this unboxing. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.